Welcome back to Top Tier Trivia. On Super Bowl Sunday, while most folks are glued to the game, a furry revolution takes place. The Puppy Bowl, this adorable spectacle, now in its 16th year, has become a beloved tradition, showcasing puppies frolicking on a mini football field. It all started in 2005 as a joke. Animal Planet executives suggested a puppy camera as a counter to the Super Bowl. Who knew that a simple idea would attract 5.8 million viewers? Talk about a tail-wagging success. Fast forward to today, the Puppy Bowl is a full-blown event, complete with sponsorships and a dedicated fan base. Forget boring commercials. Viewers are treated to a delightful mix of puppy antics and clever branding. The field, now the Geico Puppy Bowl Stadium, is a pet lover's dream, featuring brands like Pedigree and Subaru. And let's not forget the halftime show. The Kitty Litter halftime show has become a fan favorite, featuring everything from bunnies to chickens as cheerleaders. Who needs a marching band when you have a hamster-piloted blimp? The Puppy Bowl isn't just about cuteness. It's also a serious adoption initiative. Every pup featured is available for adoption, and with 96 participants this year, it's a matchmaking extravaganza. Last year's contestants even included dogs from shelters in Puerto Rico, showcasing the event's commitment to helping animals in need. But how does this all come together? Filmed months in advance, the Puppy Bowl employs 17 cameras to capture every adorable moment. The rules: loose and pun-filled. Touchdowns happen when a pup drags a chew toy across the goal line, and there's even pass inter-fur-ence. With each passing year, the Puppy Bowl has evolved into a pop culture phenomenon, drawing over 10 million viewers annually. It's a ratings powerhouse, proving that when it comes to adorable puppies, everyone's a fan. So, while the Super Bowl may have its touchdowns, the Puppy Bowl has its heartwarming moments and a mission to find forever homes for its furry stars. Tune in this February for a day filled with wagging tails and puppy love. Because who wouldn't want to trade a touchdown for a tail wag? The Puppy Bowl is more than just a cute distraction. It's a celebration of love, laughter, and the joy of adopting a new best friend. Don't miss it.